10 species of bees you've never heard of. 1. Wallace's giant bee. This giant bee is native to Indonesia. It's about the size of an adult's thumb. However, sightings of the bee are rare. It only inhabits one small rainforest. Wallace's giant bee nests in active termite mounds. 2. Domino cuckoo bee. This bee species can be found in Australia. It has either white or shockingly blue spots. Dominoes behave like cuckoo birds. They lay their eggs in the nests of other bees. Female cuckoo bees lack pollen collectors and don't build nests. 3. Teddy bear bee. This is another Australian species. The species gets its name from its cuddly looks. The teddy bear bee resembles a bumblebee, but in fact it's a carpenter bee. 4. Sandstone drilling bee. This unique bee is rarely seen, and for a good reason too. Anthophora pueblo bees drill their nests out of rock. They use water to excavate sandstone. This is quite stressful for the bees. They often look a little worse for wear. However, microbes can't invade their nests, so this bee species is able to control parasite buildup. 5. Euphorb mini fairy bee. The mini fairy is the smallest bee in North America. It's a solitary bee that doesn't live in hives. The bee is a little less than 2 millimeters long. This species can be found in extremely small nests in sandy desert soil. 6. Angelus striped sweat bee. Sweat bees don't collect honey. Their name comes from the fact that perspiration attracts them. Angelus striped sweat bees are just 10 to 14 millimeters long. Females have a striking metallic green color. Males are half green, half striped in black and yellow. Angelus striped sweat bees are found all over North America. 7. Black dwarf honeybee. The black dwarf is the smallest honeybee species. A typical individual is just 6.5 to 10 millimeters long. Black dwarf honeybees are found in Southeast Asia. They can tell the difference between their own and other species. As a result, their nests are often invaded by parasitic bees. 8. Violet carpenter bee. These large bees are found in Europe. Their bodies are with dark wings, but in bright light, they shine purple or blue. The bees look brown in poor light. They aren't aggressive toward humans and rarely sting. 9. Hairy-footed flower bee. This is a solitary bee species found in Northern Europe and Asia. It's very furry and fast-flying. In the UK, the males are usually orange-brown. However, they're gray or black elsewhere. Hairy-footed flower bees are solitary and build nests in clay slopes. 10. Royal lady bee. This rare stingless species is only found in Mexico. These bees nest in tree cavities in subtropical forests. Within the cavity, they make stacks of dark wax comb. Storage pots for honey and pollen are built on the edges of the nest. They are sealed when full. Royal lady bees don't feed their larvae. Instead, they provision them with the pots of pollen and honey.